This is a short tutorial video on how to import templates from Commons. All Hinds instructors, whether they teach online, traditional, or dual credit online, will have to import their own template information into their courses. All you have to do is click on Commons from the gray Global Navigation menu, come to Search, type in Template, turn off Public Resources, and you'll get only the Hinds templates. Here is the online course template, the traditional course template, and the dual credit online template. Let's just say we want to import the online course template. Come over here to the Import in Canvas and search for the course you want to put it in. I'm going to put it in my Canvas training shell, and then you click Import into Course. You will get a notification in green that you have successfully started the import. Please note that it may take a while to see the changes in your course. Once you've given it a few minutes, go to the course where you put the template, click on Modules, and if there's already a module in there, you'll have to scroll to the bottom to see that the course template module is at the bottom. You can drag it to the top, just drag and drop. And now you have your online course template for this course. It's as easy as that.